Miss said this morning I received a phone call from someone, and please do not say who called me, because I not call a name. And she called me this morning at 7:30 this morning. Please do not, if me not call a name, so if you are listening to me, don't acknowledge say you called me, because I not talk who called me. But somebody called me and said, Marcia, I was by YouTube last night. I hear one calling show. And the people them over there wish you how them would have run over you with car and kill you off and all kind of sin thing. And at 7:30 this morning, I get the phone call. I say, well, yes. Them say, yes, I couldn't even sit down. That because they know, say, me do the video upon 99 yesterday, you know. But me never know, say, Sean Miller, me not call you no bumbleclad pastor this morning. At first, me hear you tell whole heap of lies, say me come out of social media and done you. I am going to tell you, do not take your bumbleclad and come back on my page, Sean Miller. Don't ever come back on Marcia Campbell page and make one blood comment out here. Me never, I have been protecting you from the last conversation you have. And me never know say. I never know say you gone by your page, gone bring up back things. Have I ever called you and beg you one blood clot? Have I ever called you? Don't are you force the money for me? Have I ever called you and asked you, what did I tell you and what did I tell you I was going to do with the money? Didn't I tell you, said I was going to use it and buy parts for me light for my vehicle? Don't you come and see Mrs. Somebody write up a Queen BPH. Me go over a while ago and see Miss addressing him, you know, and me listen to it, you know. Me hear say the man go up on the boy page and I'll donate $100. Yesterday or whenever, me no know, go over there comment and still bringing up news about me living and him wanted to help me. I never call if you no help. Are you searching for me? You have been searching for me how much months? It's right there. Me never ask you for nothing. I never ask you for nothing because you tell me, so when you come, you keep on a talk about you collect how much thousand for me. I never ask you. You're talking in your video, so you want to surprise me. Me never ask you for nothing, sir. Me not calling a pastor. You's very mixed up, and me tell us there's something wrong with you. You have been trying to reach out to me on my page for how much months now. From me from me not talk to you, from you go on the boy page. And you come on my page last night or the night before I type up all kind of something when me over here discuss with my people and what me want to do for birthday. And you insert yourself in there and talking about you want to take me off my birthday and what place nice. Me never ask you for nothing. So me don't know how you make video and go on your page, come and bring up same time. Listen to me. Don't take your butt and come back over here. Don't you ever come on my page. Don't you ever come back on my page and type one Ross. Don't come back on my page. As long as it's on Facebook, don't you ever type up one of them pages. Because me sure as Ross never asked for nothing. Me no homeless and me no broke. That's number one. Me never ask you for nothing. So me never know say you're still a carry on and a carry on and a carry on. Go and be like Bishop Morgan. Go and be like Pastor Nelson. Go and be like Leslie from Florida and preach the word of God and come out of the mix-up page. Me never know say them there's something they are going. Then me ask a question. You are not my relative. How the rascal you come on social media and discuss me and me ignore you? And you come to the page the other night to bring up Bush Part Restaurant, you know, and you would have take me out, you know. And me say me know what you're doing, the only help me would have take from you unless is a liar. Where you implement the last time, where we discuss the whole conversation that you and I had the last time when I first moved out of Woodland Village. And me damn hotel. Me hear somebody I'll type up on Queen Bee page if I the pastor man who pay for my hotel for the first time. Let me tell you something, lady. Go get your facts straight. Me in my place before that man get in touch with me. Me in my place 2-3 weeks before that man get in touch with me. You understand me? So him never pay for nothing. You understand? So no bother with it. So me never know say them is something they are going. I never know say you still bring up all kind of something. Well, you say me disrespect you. Well, I force me to disrespect you now. Don't take back your on this page. Sean Miller, you is no pastor. You is no pastor. You're so pointing to me. If even talk to you. If I knew you were so, I would not hold a conversation with you. I'm not telling you no secret. We're all talking about Facebook. And the bullying and how you can help to resolve it. And you come on my page last night before night and insert yourself with the whole heap of blood clot essay them where you write up. Me tell you already now, me analyze you know. You are going through a mental problem. I realize that you are going through a mental problem. You're sick and you need to go and pray to God a little faster. Me don't want a prayer from you and me don't want nothing from you. And through me analyze you, me say, you know, you something is wrong. Me try to keep your conversation them and the long letters them we are writing behind closed door. Me could have released them. And now me hear say you come on social media and diss me. And have the nerve to go over there and give the boy $100 while him a cost me. Me really pass over there yesterday, no, and see him put one line up, you know. Pastor apologized to me and this caca eye. Me hear it. Let me tell you something. Are you over your page here, they know write up one piece of essay about me, no? Oh, me's a woman of God. Let me tell you something. Me bless and highly favor and I'm very talented. You know who me is, and none of you know they can't get my soul. Me not care what you want to say. You are a disappointment to the name pastor. You have time to repent. You are a disappointment to the name. Me say big up to Bishop Morgan and Bishop Nelson them from Jamaica. Them man there, you can't talk to them about nothing and then pray for you. Never hear them going. And you think say Bishop Morgan or Pastor Nelson or any other pastor would have go on 300 page or even go on over the fence page. If you go ask them question. Me never know say still I bring up something. Did I ever ask you for any help? Not a blood clot. I never ask you for no help. How the fuck you go and come on social media, come and talk about you reach out to make a ear say, me living in my car. Yes, so yeah, follow mix up page and yeah, watch me. And you say yeah, watch me. Listen to me. You see your sister from England or somebody introduce me. Sister, go talk to your brother. Carry your brother go to a mental institution. Because me analyze people, carry your brother go to a mental institution because something wrong with him. I mean, don't. What are you doing? What are you doing calling? What are you doing calling yourself a pastor? You know how much fake pastor out there? How dare you coming up and talking about you were collecting money to surprise me? Did I ask you for the money? No, I didn't. Every time you call me and you send message, are you okay? Do you have food? Me say me don't need no food. How do you ask if you talk about me not food and me have food every day and go to a restaurant every day? What kind of fucker is that? Sean Miller, what is your problem? Do you know how much money? I don't give a fuck when nobody wants it to social media. Them not pay the amount of money when me are paying at this blood clot place. Me not ask you. They are not paying it. Which part me I live? A mortgage money. Me not ask you or me not ask none of those haters for nah. Stop it. Stop it. I haven't spoken to you from the last time in a WhatsApp. From them the time they go up on the man page and me come out and talk. You walk around and tell people say me cuss you off. I force me ever disrespect you. Don't put back your blood clot on this pussy clot, bomber clot, blood clot page. Sean Miller. You is too fucking mix up. I don't know what is going on in your life. But I'm telling you, don't you ever come back on my page and type up. You have been typing up on my page for months now. I'm going to ignore you. Until night before night. When you come up and me say look bad. And me say listen to me. Me not speaking to you, you know. The only weird thing you did you tell me say call me. I will take you out for your birthday. I mean if you take your birthday, I have my money. Me have my money for come on birthday and go on business. Me not understand. You did you insert yourself. I am asking the people them what nice restaurant. You insert yourself in there if you tell me about nice restaurant. How you dare me say listen, me not talking to you for the last time. The only thing I take from you is unless you give me the proper channel where you had first implemented. I hit me and you talk about. We not talk about no money. We not talk about no place. We not talk about nothing. Me never know some blood clot desperate. Sean Miller, I have 6 brothers and sisters in the United States. Them have house and them have extra room. I can come out of this blood clot right to spot me there right now and put in my Jeep and fly up on one plane and go to Carolina. Got my sister Pennsylvania have empty room. Me have a sister in North Carolina have a 4-bedroom house. And she and her son in there. Me have another sister, not Carolyn, have a 3-bedroom house, and she alone in there. Me have another sister, she have a 3-bedroom house. One is empty because her son gone to college. Me no need no blood clot help from none of no pussy clot out there. Me no understand how no so fucking up in my business, which part me a shelter and which part me asleep. Uno blood clot don't even live in there. Me in a prestigious blood clot building and somehow in a blood clot followers. Then how the fuck you not talk about me? And me there so from December, the 4th of December, me a pay my way. December, January, February, I end February. Me never call you and ask for nothing. And you reach out to me. And me tell her say it's not a problem. Me first of all, you should have known better. Me said to you, how are you giving me so much money? Me said to you, if you're involved in anything that is not of God, or you associate with anybody, negativity and social media, me don't want it. You is a bumbleclot liar. You turned to me and said no. So you fucking lied to me. So when afterward, me hear you say you donated to Erica, you donated to Dr. Heat, and you donated to you know, mention nobody else. Only those 2 persons. Me said if you associate with those people, me don't want it. You turned to me and said no. I just go on the page and me hear them talking about charity. Me talk it and me just give them something. And me hear you drop word and say you donated to Miss Lady here too. Now you come out, it's like say you want to go on pages that is highlighted now. You have to find something to do with your time. You have to go and be like Bishop Morgan them. You can't come over here and go on a man page where cost me out in a class me and go and donate $100 to him. Me not even know. I don't even know when him donate $100 for yesterday or whatever. But me really see tight, you know. Me really see tight. Listen to me, Sean Miller. Come out of my blood clot business, you hear, sir? Go out of business. Because you walk and say me cuss you out and me cuss you out. Not come out of my fucking business. I don't want the bumble clot help from you. I don't want help. Me's American citizen. I want pussy clot help. And them say me blind and me deaf and me caca. If me want help, me can go to the disability office, right? If me want help, me can go get food stamp, right? And if me want help, me can go to my sister and my friends them for help. Don't call me name. Don't go by your fucking platform. Don't go back by your platform and mention me. No blood clot time. Me don't know you. You donate to me, thank you for it. Just as you donate to me, you say you're kind-hearted, man. Thank you for the kindness because me I donate to people all my fucking life. So if you come back and donate to me, so shall it be. Don't call my name and address me. I don't need no fucking help from you. I don't need no fucking help from the social media people. Stop that blood clot right now. Me never asked if nothing yet. Me never asked if you collect the money. You hear what you say? You were surprising me. That's what you said. You were surprising me. You come talking about you collect $11,000. Me ask you, when I was at the place, you keep on asking me, do you need any help? No. Do you need any help? No. If you need anything, you can call me. I can order something. Me never know say me look like me a starve. Look how my blood clot belly big. And look how my face fat and round. Me never know say you see ribs in me. I sure. Stop it and go your way. You're talking about a tell lie promise and me disrespect you. Suppose me dash out the text message them where you send me. In at the time when you were on that man's side. Me come out and I protect you. Me even tell the people them say no cuss you. And me hear you upon voicemail pan. I said me class you up. Well, first me a class you. I'm going to tell you right now, Sean Miller. Me not calling a pastor. Me not call a pastor before. But when me hear say go upon this a boy a page go donate $100 during the time when him a done me. Me a call you by your name. Don't you ever put back your blood clot, pussy clot foot on my page. And a first in my life, me ever disrespect a pastor. Don't you ever put back your foot on this page and type in nothing to me. Stay away from me. Don't call me name out. I don't know you from a can of paint. You understand me? I don't know you from a can of paint. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for your donation. And I never spend in a hotel if you pay enough roof over my head. Me tell you what me I buy and me buy exactly what me buy with it. Me tell us me I invest it right in my business. I went into Burlington and I spent $500 and I buy some quilt, some bed in a bag, and some stuff and put in my storage. And I order something for my vehicle, which is what I told you I was going to do. When the weather come a little clearer, me drop them off to the guy if he fix it. Don't you ever come back on this page and type in nothing. You is a disgrace. The members of Sean Miller congregation, you is a disgrace. And that is the reason why I realize now why you lose your big congregation. That is the reason why, if you are going to be like that, that is the reason why you lose your big congregation that you had. You can't fool me. I already done tell you who you are. You can't say me never give you a prediction over the phone and I call and I tell you exactly what I see in you and I tell you you're still going through something. Let me tell you something. Come off of me. Don't go and discuss nothing about me. Me never ask for nothing. I never ask for collect nothing. Come off of my name. Go do the right thing. You understand me? Woman, break your heart. Jesus never break your heart. Let me make it clear. Woman may break your heart, but Jesus never break your heart. Let me repeat it one more time. Woman may break your heart, but Jesus never break your heart. Because I want it with me. I am very committed when it comes to certain things about religion. I'm not all my cuss bad word. You are such a disappointment and a disgrace to call yourself a pastor. How can you go upon that demand the page who a slaughter woman every day and join and go donate $100? The man class your blood clot last night and night before. Call your wally pa batty man and you did it, you go fuck batty, you go did this or you did this or you that, and you go upon the page, go and type up. Suppose to hear the man dip up underneath you and you go and send the man $100 and go right up on them page. He? After you say you're a man of this and man of that, and you ever hear how the man class you up. The same night when you come when you type on the page. The people who no hear me ask that man for no help? What did I say? Who no hear me ask that man for no help? Then the man come over on page and type up all kind of something and me I ignore him. And me I say no what? And let me just answer him. He's the one who is suggesting and saying, me come over on page and we're talking about where can I get a nice fine restaurant to eat food. He's the one that come over on page, and start write up one piece of long thing, and said, me want to take you out. Me even mention me even see one text message when he even put all Bentley car. Bentley something you can't come out in the Bentley and sitting like so. Like him thinks I'm afraid, me afraid fit me frightened for car. Listen to me not frightened for car, My fiance, me used to engage to one white man at Jaguar. We used to drive Jaguar, convertible Jaguar. Me not frightened for car. Me no ask for nothing. So me supporters them there. You come and write up, and me say, you know what, shit, let me answer him. Because you've been coming over here from my friend dead. And I said to me, what do you need? Let me buy you this. Me no answer you. And me say, and the one time me answer you, I this a blood clot kasa camp on social media. The one time me answer, I say, listen, me no want nothing from you, The only thing I want from you, the only thing I don't want from you, unless you can send me to the right channels. That's what I said in my video. Unless you can introduce me to the right people, we are nationally, where me and you were speaking about how we can get these people to stop the bullying, because that is what you tell me. So you know people. You know people in a Congress, you know people in a this place here. Me say that's what I said to you on my platform. Me members only them there right here. So me say the only way I would have take nothing from you unless you are giving me those people to get a lawyer to stop this pussy old boy. As so me say, how is it that now me the past social media asking you for something help? Did I ask you for no help? And then you come over here type up and me ignore you for months now? And you come and bring up the same thing. Oh, people call you and tell you, said, you make me sleeping in my car and you want to help me to buy like a food for eat. You're a damn rasslayer. Because you say I've been watching me. You even go as further and tell me, say, church people, them love me. I have a church sister, they love when me cuss up with bad word. And I say, really? You say, yes. If me no cuss bad word, she no want to come by here. If me no cuss. As God up heaven, that's what you tell me. Me not lie upon you. You say, if you say cuss out them backside, yes? Then how is it now you want to come degrade me? When you as God up heaven, you tell me that cuss out them backside. And now you gone part other pages. Who are you? That's when me realize, say, the way you talk, and you go back on your word, now me realize there's something wrong with you. Me give you a good piece of word from God to, What make you tell people them that? What make you tell people them, so me call you and give you one piece of word from the Lord? I'm going to let you know right now. Me don't know what happened in your life. But something is wrong. And you need to get over it.